Kia ora!
This is Te Reo Te Tari 101. E noho rā. How do we use that? Because that, I mean, you hear it all the time now.
Well, it's one that people confuse with haere rā, right?
Yes.
And you only say haere rā if you're staying.
Right.
And someone is
Going away.
Ah.
Oh,
And as you were about to leave us, prematurely I must add, you said e noho rā, right? Because we
Yes.
were staying and you were going.
yeah.
That's right.
Te noho rā. Susie Kato, e noho rā, I'm leaving. I really got to go, so see you later. E noho rā I te iwi.
Haere rā. Haere rā. Haere rā e hoa. Haere rā e pere. As you were about to leave, right?
Haere rā.
Haere rā, bro. Hai te haere. Haere rā.
And so if we were sitting here, all three of us, and we saw Joe leaving, let's say goodbye to him. Haere rā, Joe. See you later. Oh, awesome work today. Ka pai.
Ka pai. Ka kite. Now, did I say it correctly?
E ka kite.
Yeah, ka kite. So kite is to see or to...
Yes,
Yeah? Okay.
So the car is representing the future, eh?
Right.
So in kite, to see, so you're indicating that you'll see them in the future. Ka kite. And that can be used in any context, really. If you're
Right.
leaving, and whether you're sitting, you're going, it don't matter. Ka kite, you'll see them later.
It's kind of a more modern sort of take on mā te wā, right?
Yes, that's right.
Oh, okay.